Welcome to GH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to buy Steam Wallet credit using GCash in only 5 minutes. Whether you are an experienced gamer or just starting out on the Steam platform, these steps will help you complete the process effortlessly. Let's get started right away. First, open the Steam app on your computer. If you are not currently logged in, you will need to do that now. Go ahead and click the Login button to proceed. This brings you to the screen where you must enter your specific account name and password. Ensure your credentials are correct for a secure login. Once you have typed in your details, simply click Sign In. This action takes you directly to your main Steam homepage. Now that you have reached the homepage, find your profile button and click it. This opens a menu where you should select account details. This specific section contains all the important information regarding your Steam account, including your wallet balance. We are moving closer to the goal, so stay with me. You will see a link to add funds to your Steam wallet. Click that option to move to the next step. This feature allows you to put the necessary funds into your account using a preferred payment method. For this guide, we are using GCash, though other options are available if needed. Once you are in the Add Funds area, look through the payment methods and select GCash. It is a very simple and reliable mobile wallet for making digital payments. After choosing GCash, click the Continue button. On the next screen, you will find an I agree checkbox. It is important to review the terms, and once you are ready, click the box to provide your consent. Following this, click the button to continue to Smart 2 Pay, which handles the transaction securely. For the final steps, a QR code will appear on your screen. Use your mobile phone to open the GCash app and scan this QR code. The app will ask you to authorize the payment, and once you confirm, the transaction will process. That is all there is to it. You have successfully added funds to your Steam wallet. Enjoy all the great features Steam has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.